synonyms and antonyms. Examples and exercises. What is synonym? What is antonym? Do you have any idea of these terms? Okay, let's review these terms and their meanings. Are you ready? When we say synonyms, these are words with the same or similar meanings, while antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Do you see the difference? Antonyms examples. We can use antonyms to show a contrast between two things, emphasize a point, or explain exactly how we feel. Good, bad. Girl, boy. Fast, slow. Day, night. Young, old. Happy, sad. Tall, short. Black, white. Laugh, cry. Rainy, sunny. Brave, coward. Angel, devil. Noisy, quiet. Triumph, defeat. Buy, sell. Destroy, create. Up, down. Sweet, sour. Pull, push. Dark, light. Add, subtract. Full, empty. Rich, poor. Pretty, ugly. Fat, thin. Brother, sister. Mother, father. Close, open. Arrive, depart. Awake, asleep. Big, small. Few, many. Hot, cold. Right, wrong. Hard, soft. High, low. In, out. Last, first. Love, hate. North, south. East, west. On, off. Present, absent. Same, different. Short, long. Start, stop. Top, bottom. Wet, dry. Strong, weak. Well, sick. Congratulations! We finally finished antonyms. I have prepared some exercises for you. Are you ready? Exercise number 1. Give the correct antonym of each word. Let's see if you remember something. Read and analyze. I will be giving you 30 seconds to answer. Timer starts now. Let's answer. 1. Sad. 2. Devil. 3. Create. 4. Push. 5. Pour. 6. Soft. 7. Long. 8. Dry. 9. Girl. 10. Off. Got perfect! Congratulations! Now let's proceed to synonyms. Synonyms are words with the same or similar meanings. Let's take these examples. Smart, clever, small, little, quiet, silent, harm, hurt, shout, yell, alike, similar, large, big, honest, trustworthy, hate, detest, hardworking, diligent, happy, glad, great, extraordinary, difficult, hard, different, dissimilar, cold, chilly, beautiful, active, accomplish, stop, halt, late, tardy, false, untrue, race, lift, help, assist, present, gift, yearly, annually, value, worth, sad, unhappy, rich, wealthy, gather, collect, sick, ill, mistake, error, kind, helpful, choose, select, and finish, easy, simple, ask, inquire, center, middle, begin, start, dirty, soiled, fast, quick, leave, depart, outside, external, fair, just, garbage, trash, near, close, safe, secure, try, attempt, fool, idiot, believe, trust, slim, slender, idle, lazy, idea, thought. We are done with synonyms. Congratulations. Great job. Let's proceed to exercise number 1. Choose the correct synonyms in the box. Happy, center, big, fast, pretty, great, quiet, simple, cold, smart. These are the choices. 30 seconds to answer. Start. Time's up! Let's answer. 1 C, 2 J, 3 G, 4 F, 5 I, 6 B, 7 H, 8 E, 9 B, 10 A. Got perfect? Give yourselves a round of applause. Exercise number 2. S or A. Identify if the pair of words are synonyms or antonyms. Write S if it is synonyms and A if it is antonyms. Let's see if you remember something. Once again, I will be giving you 30 seconds to answer. Please read and analyze. Timer starts now. Ready. Time's up. Let's know the answer. For number 1. A. 2 S, 3 S, 4 A, 5 S, 6 A, 7 S, 8 A, 9 S, 10 A. What's your score now? Doing great? Good job! Let's proceed to the last exercise. Exercise number 3. Match column A with column B. Choose the right antonyms. Ready? Look at the pictures carefully. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's connect. I hope you have learned something new today. And if you enjoy watching, please don't forget to like, comment down, subscribe after watching. See you on our next video. Stay safe and healthy.